Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Hi, good evening. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you doing, ma'am?
Good too. How's the day going?
It has been great.
It has been great. Very nice.
Yeah,
All right. So let's begin with a quick introduction. You may please start introducing yourself.
sure. So my name is Amar Kumar, and right now I'm living in Noida, but I'm originally from Bihar. I have
Mhm.
completed my graduation in 2019 in geography honors. So my hobbies are listening to music and watching movie and playing badminton as well. So this is all about me.
All right, Amar. Nice meeting you and nice having you on board. I'm Sachi and I've been working as an English trainer since the last 6 years. And I am a fashion designer too. I'm from Dehradun. Besides, I love to cook, love to sing, and quite passionate about training myself and others in English language. That's why here.
Okay, wow. So you love to cook.
Yes, I love to cook.
Okay, so you must cook all kind of food.
Yeah, I've never cooked non-vegetarian food.
Okay.
Although I used to eat it, now I don't eat it anymore. But I've
Okay.
never cooked it. I don't know how to cook it. Yeah,
So
but I
now, okay. So now, have you become vegetarian?
yes, I have become a vegetarian.
Okay. Now it's very nice because I'm a still vegetarian, non-vegetarian.
But do you want to become a vegetarian?
Yeah, of course, I want to become a vegetarian, but
Hmm.
I'm not able to do that.
Hmm. Because I was someone who was not eating non-vegetarian since my childhood, so I had never like acquired the taste of non-veg food. But only when I moved to college, I was given the liberty of eating non-veg food by my parents because I was out of the house and not getting enough. We are always concerned about our health, not getting enough minerals, proteins. So my dad said that okay, you can eat whatever you want, you can have eggs, you can have other things also. So I started, continued for some years, but then again after having a kid, didn't feel like eating, and neither did I have that craving to eat non-veg, or I'm not
Yeah.
able to live without non-vegetarian food. That kind of thing did not happen ever with me. So it was very easy for me to not eat. Plus there was no one else eating non-vegetarian in my in-laws house. Neither my parents used to eat it, so it was comparatively easier because I was not eating non-vegetarian frequently, so I did not acquire the taste.
Because in my house now nobody eat non-vegetarian. Everybody
Hmm.
has become vegetarian. Uh, 2 to 3 years back, in my home, like all person used to eat non-vegetarian. But now I'm the only person who eats
You're the one.
non-vegetarian.
You are the only one who's left eating non-veg food.
Yeah, but
So is it?
sometimes I think I should live eating no, non-vegetarian, but
So you do
it's
you
very
cook for
hard for me.
yourself or do you eat out?
Yeah, I cook for myself,
Mm. So
and
your
I like
family is
cooking.
okay with you
Yeah,
cooking with non-vegetarian in the same kitchen, because I see this is a matter of
no,
dispute in a lot of
because
families.
my family live in a village, and right now I'm living in Noida alone.
Okay, so it
Uh,
must be
yeah,
easy.
so yeah, so they don't care that if you want to eat, then you can eat.
Hmm.
And
All
I
right,
love
Amar.
cooking as well.
That's very nice. Maybe we can
Yeah.
talk more about cooking in between and in the sessions that are yet to come. All right, let's begin our session. Today we have the topic sales and closing deals.
Sales and clothes.
So, when I say the words like sales, marketing, what all come to your mind? When I say the words sales, marketing, what comes to your mind, or what do you think about it?
So whenever I think about sales or marketing, the one thing comes in my mind, credit card. Like salesperson are selling credit card alongside the road. Hey,
Hmm.
sir, would you like to apply for credit card?
Yes.
So that
And also,
always come
we
into my
often
mind.
get a lot of calls to buy some
Yeah,
policies or credit cards, and sometimes you get irritated also.
yeah.
All right. So sales is a bit like matchmaking, finding the perfect fit between what
Mhm.
customers want and what we offer. From
But yeah.
crafting the perfect pitch to sealing the deal with a smile, it's
Mhm.
all about making the sale and meeting the targets set by the company. So we're
Mhm.
going to begin with a few questions now, shall we?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Number one is, how do you feel when a salesperson approaches you while you're browsing in a store? Do you prefer being approached or left alone to explore? Nowadays we all go to shopping malls and
Yeah,
we tend to prefer branded stores for shopping, right? Instead of going to local stores. So how the scenario is when you enter a store and start looking at some articles,
some
there's
article.
some salesperson who comes to you and asks, sir, may I help you, or what are you looking for, so you can buy this, right? So
Yeah,
that is the question. Do you prefer some salesperson to come approach you, help you, or do you want to be left alone to explore?
yeah, sure. So basically, it depends on situation. Like we visit the store, or sometimes we are not able to find the products what I need, right? So in that scenario, we need salesperson. Or
Hmm.
sometimes a salesperson come near us and say, "Hey, sir, what are you looking for?" So we say, "I don't need. I'll find myself. I'll find myself." So,
Hmm.
so there it depends on situation. Like we are finding something and we are not able to find in the store. So that time we need salesperson so that he could
Right.
help.
Right. And what do you think makes a brand trustworthy in the eyes of consumers to increase sales?
For increasing sales, depend on quality of the product, like and trust, like make people trustworthy, or
Hmm.
we should if you have to make the product trustworthy, then you have to focus on uh, product quality of the product, not the quantity.
Right. And
And
do you
and the
have, yes, please continue.
and always salesperson, like behavior depends on behavior. Behavior should be positive towards the customer, so
Positive.
that so that customer could believe on the product that now he is talking properly, so we should
Yeah.
purchase the
Okay,
product.
Amar. So, just a small pronunciation correction we are going to do. I have
Yeah.
written the word positive in the chat box. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
अब
Positive.
इंग्लिश में यस जहाँ पर भी लेटर एस है उसकी
Yes.
साउंड कभी भी ज नहीं होगी. पॉजिटिव
Yeah.
इज रॉन्ग. ओके.
Okay.
पॉजिटिव इज रॉन्ग. पॉजिटिव ज. जो
Positive.
मधुमक्खी की आवाज
Positive.
होती है ज, हम
Yeah.
आवाज निकालते हैं
Yeah.
ज, वो
G.
वाला ज यहाँ पे आएगा. पॉजिटिव.
Okay. Positive.
यस यू आर ट्राइंग टू डू इट. तो इसको
Yeah.
थोड़ा सा ठीक करना है. या तो
Okay.
लेटर एस की आवाज होगी स,
Mhm.
या
Mhm.
फिर ज. ज कभी भी नहीं होगी, इसके अलावा
Ja,
तीसरी
kabhi.
आवाज नहीं होती. राइट.
Okay.
या तो उसकी साउंड स आएगी या ज आएगी, ज नहीं आएगी. ज आएगी सिर्फ लेटर जी या लेटर जे की आवाज. राइट. सो दिस
Yeah.
वर्ड इज पॉजिटिव.
And I have found that I always make mistakes in these pronunciation.
अभी भी आप
Sha,
दीज बोल रहे हैं, दीज भी गलत है, दीज.
these,
यहाँ पर भी ज.
these. Yeah.
या.
So I always stuck in ja, ja, sha, sa. So these pronunciation I always make mistakes.
That is because of your mother tongue influence, because your
Yes, ma'am.
mother tongue is Bihari. I was
Yes, ma'am.
there in Patna for 2 years, so I've got a lot of Bihari friends. I completely understand the influence. So, see, it's not bad to have an influence, but if it is messing up with your pronunciation, then it is
Yeah,
something to be concerned about, right?
yeah,
तो हम क्या करेंगे, अब आपको ऑलरेडी पता है कि कौन कौन सी साउंड्स में यू आर फाइंडिंग इट डिफिकल्ट टू
yeah.
प्रोड्यूस. तो उसको ऐसे वर्ड्स चूज कीजिए जिनमें ये
Mhm,
साउंड्स आ रही हैं. लाइक
mhm.
राइट 10 words
Ten
which
words.
have the letter S in them.
Yes.
Write it on a big piece of paper, A4
Mhm,
या A5 शीट पे बड़ा बड़ा मार्कर से 10 शब्द या 5 शब्द लिख लीजिए.
mhm,
पेस्ट इट समवेयर जहाँ पे आप अपने कमरे में लेटर
mhm,
अपने वार्डरोब पे लगा सकते हैं, किसी भी
mhm,
वॉल पे लगा सकते हैं जहाँ आप उसे रोज देख रहे हैं आते
mhm.
जाते. जब भी आप उसे देखें, आप सारे शब्दों को दोहराएं, और इस कॉन्शियसनेस के साथ हमें उसको पढ़ना है कि हमें वो वाली साउंड सही निकालनी है, क्योंकि पता तो है आपको।
Sure.
लेकिन ये चीज आप तब भूल जाएंगे जब आप किसी से नेचुरली बात कर रहे हैं, देन यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू करेक्ट द साउंड्स। बट व्हेन यू नो
Yeah.
कि दिस पीस ऑफ पेपर आई हैव stuck here
Written.
because I need to correct my sounds,
Correct
then
one.
you are going to correctly pronounce them.
Yeah.
Once your muscles here get into the habit of pronouncing those sounds correctly, तब आप नॉर्मली भी किसी से जब इंग्लिश में बातचीत कर रहे हैं, यू यूज करेक्ट साउंड्स। सिर्फ यहाँ
Okay.
मसल्स को प्रैक्टिस ही तो कराना है एक तरीके से
Yes.
मूव होने की। Speaking is an activity that requires physical movement of your muscles. Anything
Muscles.
that requires movement of your muscles या any organ, it requires practice. जैसे क्रिकेट भी है। क्रिकेट को अगर मैं आपको थियोरेटिकली समझा दूं कैसे खेलते हैं, आप कभी नहीं खेल पाएंगे until and unless you go on the field, you take the bat and ball and practice. आपको
Hit
अपनी
the ball.
मसल को उस मूवमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग प्रैक्टिस कराना है ना, बैट के
Yes.
वेट के अकॉर्डिंग, बॉल के वेट के अकॉर्डिंग, कि किस एंगल पे फेंकना है। ऐसे ही यहाँ पर भी मसल्स को हमें इंग्लिश की करेक्ट साउंड्स के अकॉर्डिंग प्रैक्टिस कराना है, बिकॉज एवरी लैंग्वेज कम्स विद अ डिफरेंट सेट ऑफ साउंड्स। बिहारी की साउंड्स अलग है। In fact, most of the Indian languages have similar sounds, लेकिन इंग्लिश की साउंड्स अलग हैं। इंडियन लैंग्वेजेस
Alak.
में वी टेंड टू स्ट्रेस मोर ऑन आवर कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड। जैसे टमाटर, तो ट र कितना ज्यादा सुनाई
Tara.
दे रहा है ना।
Yeah.
इंग्लिश में हम ऐसे नहीं बोलते हैं, वर्क नहीं बोलेंगे, आई वर्क हियर, नो, आई वर्क हियर।
I
वेरी
work
स्मूथ
here.
साउंड्स, राइट। तो उस
Yeah.
पे हमें काम करना है। तो जितना
Yeah.
आप इस
I
तरह से, यस प्लीज।
Yeah, so it always happen. It always happens with me. Like when I try to pronounce the word, that time I pronounce correctly. But while having conversation, I always make mistakes.
So how often do you speak in English on a daily basis, Amar?
I hardly get like time or chance to speak in English.
That is
So
why
I
it is
take
happening.
yeah yeah. So
इंग्लिश
I take
पता
a one
होना
session.
और
Hmm.
इंग्लिश में अच्छे से बात कर पाना आर टू
But
डिफरेंट थिंग्स।
yeah,
मसल को जब आप रोज प्रैक्टिस नहीं कराएंगे तो कैसे प्रैक्टिस होगी ना। आपको इन
sure.
द बैक ऑफ योर हेड यू नो इंग्लिश, यू अंडरस्टैंड इंग्लिश वेल, बट यू नीड मोर टाइम टू स्पीक इंग्लिश, है ना। तो टेक मोर सेशंस, ताकि आप अलग अलग टॉपिक्स पे अलग अलग
Hmm.
तरीके से बात कर पाए। जितना ज़्यादा आप इंग्लिश में बोलेंगे, दैट टू विद समबडी हु इज गुड इन इंग्लिश, तो आप उसको कैच करेंगे सही इंग्लिश को, आप भी उस तरह से बोलने की कोशिश करेंगे। सो टेक मोर
Hmm.
सेशंस, स्पेंड मोर टाइम स्पीकिंग इन इंग्लिश ऑन डिफरेंट
Speaking in English.
टॉपिक्स, राइट। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, स्टार्ट रीडिंग आउट अलाउड, बोल के पढ़िए। ओके, ऑल द एक्टिविटीज दैट यू डूइंग ऑन अ डेली बेसिस जिसमें एक लैंग्वेज की रिक्वायरमेंट है, चाहे आप न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ रहे हैं, या आप किसी से बात कर रहे हैं, या आप गाने सुन रहे हैं, जहां आप इंग्लिश में कर सकते हैं वो चीज़, डू इट। ओके,
So nowadays I am doing
आर
reading
यू रीडिंग
practice
इट
and
अलाउड, बोल के पढ़ रहे
yeah,
हैं आप?
reading. Yeah,
दैट इज़
every
वेरी
day I
गुड।
read one paragraph or some newspapers. I read
That
every
is
day.
good. Keep up the practice and take more sessions, spend more time speaking with people on different
Speaking,
topics, right?
sure.
That is the only way you're going to improve. Communication will improve with communicating, when you communicate with others on different
Communicate with them.
topics. तो वो अपना समय बढ़ा दीजिए, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट यूजिंग इंग्लिश टू कम्युनिकेट विद आवर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली अराउंड। हम, आप या तो बिहारी में बोल रहे होंगे या हिंदी में बोल रहे होंगे, हम
Hindi
नहीं
में.
बात करते हैं, राइट। तो जब तक हम बात नहीं करेंगे किसी से इंग्लिश में, तब तक हमें कैसे आएगी? सिर्फ पता होने से काम नहीं चलेगा, राइट।
Sure.
Okay, let's move ahead to the next question. Would you be able to handle the constant rejections and criticisms that salespeople face?
I have never faced such kind of failure or situation,
But the
but
question is, the kind of rejections
kind
and criticisms
rejection.
salespeople face. अगर आपके साथ, आपके सामने इस तरह के रिजेक्शंस और क्रिटिसिज्म आए, तो क्या आप हैंडल कर पाएंगे?
Of course, I will be able to handle the situation, that kind of rejection or situation, what a salesperson face.
Hmm.
because
Okay.
I used to work in a banking sector earlier, and I also used to sell the credit card or saving account. So sometimes customer denied that
हम्म, अभी क्या
I
हो रहा है
don't
अमर?
need the
आपने
product.
बोला कस्टमर, कस्टमर नहीं
Customer,
कस्टमर, कस्टमर।
customer, customer.
हम्म, तो यहाँ पे श की साउंड आएगी ही नहीं, इट इज ओनली एस। इफ इट वुड हैव बीन एस एच, तब श की साउंड आती।
Okay,
कस्टमर,
okay,
कस्टमर।
customer.
ओके, या
Okay. So, ma'am, I would like to one thing like, do I need to focus on pronunciation initially, or do I need to focus on fluency
बोथ एट
both
द सेम टाइम।
at the same time?
So
Okay,
when you
because
spend more
right
time
now,
with the language, जब
Mhm,
आप ज़्यादा समय बिताएंगे, आप सुन रहे हैं, आप बोल रहे हैं, आप पढ़ रहे हैं, automatically all the things are going to improve.
mhm.
It
Because
is not just
right now I'm practicing, but I'm not that much focusing on pronunciation or vocabulary. I'm focusing on getting fluency because I'm
फ्लुएंसी
able
के
to.
साथ-साथ आपको प्रोनंसिएशन पे भी काम करना ज़रूरी है। इट इज़ नॉट
Sure.
ओनली द वर्ड्स दैट यू स्पीक कि आप कौन से
Mhm,
शब्द बोल रहे हैं और
yeah.
मतलब एक के बाद एक आप बोल रहे हैं। यू हैव
Mhm,
द कंसिस्टेंसी ऑफ स्पीकिंग इन इंग्लिश, यू हैव द फ्लुएंसी, बट द
mhm.
प्रोनंसिएशंस आर रॉन्ग, तो क्लैरिटी नहीं आ रही है स्पीच में। दैट इज़
Clarity.
नॉट गोइंग टू बी इफेक्टिव,
Mhm,
राइट? सो इट्स वेरी
sure.
इंपॉर्टेंट टू वर्क ऑन योर प्रोनंसिएशन, फ्लुएंसी, एवरीथिंग साइड बाय
Mhm,
साइड। ओके।
yeah.
आप ऐसा अगर सोचेंगे कि पहले मैं फ्लुएंसी पे काम कर लूँ, मैं प्रोनाउंसिएशन बाद में देखूंगा, देन यू विल बिकम हैबिचुअल ऑफ दैट रॉन्ग प्रोनाउंसिएशन।
Wrong
फिर
pronunciation.
उसको सही करना मुश्किल हो जाएगा,
Yeah.
राइट? तो क्यों ना हम साथ साथ करते चलें। ऐसा कर
Okay.
सकते हैं कि राइट नाउ यू आर मोस्टली फोकसिंग ऑन फ्लुएंसी, प्रोनाउंसिएशन भी आप करेक्ट कर रहे हैं, बट एफर्ट थोड़े कम ज़्यादा हो सकते हैं कि इस पे आज ज़्यादा है, कल फ्लुएंसी पे है, आज मैं प्रोनाउंसिएशन पे ध्यान दे रहा हूँ, ऐसा हो सकता है, राइट? बट येस, यू कांट इग्नोर वन ईदर ऑफ द थिंग्स, राइट?
No, like along with fluency, I'm also focusing on pronunciation, right? But, sometimes I make practices like sha, sa, because I
Mm.
always make mistake in these words.
Right.
Yeah.
That is what I said. Ki when you
Mhm,
know that these are the particular sounds that I'm making mistakes in,
mhm.
write down the words which have those sounds. Sa,
Sounds.
sh, और जो दूसरे साउंड्स भी हैं जो आप बोल रहे थे अभी, उनके ऐसे वर्ड्स लिख लीजिए जिनमें वो वाली साउंड्स हैं।
Mhm,
टेक आउट टाइम सेपरेटली, पर्टिकुलरली
mhm.
इस चीज़ के लिए कि आप वो वर्ड्स प्रोनाउंस करिए बोल के। रिकॉर्ड योरसेल्फ
Okay.
व्हाइल
Record.
प्रोनाउंसिंग। रिकॉर्ड करके सुनिए अपने आप को, आपको खुद पता लग जाएगा
Sure.
कि क्या मैंने सही बोला। अगर मैं आपसे बोल रही हूँ कि कस्टमर इज गॉड, तो आप ये सुन के बता सकते हैं कि मैं कस्टमर सही प्रोनाउंस नहीं किया, मैंने कस्टमर अगर मैं बोल रही हूँ, राइट? तो जब आप
Sure.
अपना भी सुनेंगे आप बता पाएंगे इस चीज को, because you
Sure.
know the language. It is only because of the habitual way of speaking that you are speaking in that way, क्योंकि वो उसी तरह से आप बोलते आ रहे हैं शुरू से। योर मदर टंग इन्फ्लुएंस इज देयर। सो थोड़ा सा एफर्ट डाल के हमें अपनी साउंड्स ठीक करनी
Yeah,
है,
I
राइट?
always check my like pronunciation while after completing the session. I because I listen the conversation, and then I found that I pronounce these words like
देन
this.
आई
So
फाइंड
I'm
दैट
making, yeah, fine, but I find that I mispronounce this word.
that means you're able to identify your own pronunciation errors, so
Yeah,
you can very easily work on them. The main thing is
sure.
realizing that you're making an error, and you
Yes,
know that it's an error, I have to correct it. Then we consciously sit and correct it, right?
sure.
Okay, moving on to the next. Making telemarketing calls to people persistently is a technique used by most companies. Do you think it is effective or annoying? I think we just discussed in the beginning of the session
Mhm.
about the calls that we get to buy
About the
credit
calls.
cards or policies, which are irritating. But do you
Irritating.
think that it is a marketing strategy? Are they effective?
Of course, these are the marketing strategy. Like
These are the
these, these,
z.
these are the. Ja.
अच्छा, एक चीज़ है अमर, जब हम ये साउंड्स प्रोनाउंस करते हैं ना, तो हमारे मुँह का जो खुलने और बंद होने का स्ट्रक्चर है, थोड़ा
Mhm.
अलग हो जाता है। जब हम
Alakul.
ज बोल रहे हैं ज, तो हम अपने दाँतों को
Mhm.
टाइट शट करते हैं, ज,
Mhm.
दीज, राइट?
These.
जब मैं ज़ बोल रही हूँ, तब आई एम लेटिंग द एयर आउट, ज़,
Yeah.
ज़, यू सी, ज़, ज़।
Ja.
मेरे टीथ पूरी तरह बंद नहीं है, बट जब मैं ज बोल रही हूँ, पूरी तरह बंद है। तो हमें अपने लिप्स, टीथ, टंग, इन्हीं के मूवमेंट्स को कंट्रोल करके साउंड्स को इम्प्रूव
Mhm.
करना है, पॉलिश करना है, राइट?
Mhm.
सो देयर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन द साउंड ज एंड ज। सो दीज,
These. These.
yes, it is better.
Yeah.
Please continue with your answer.
Uh,
You were talking about the calls, marketing calls.
yeah, I was telling about the marketing strategy. Like, yeah, of
Mm-hmm.
course, that is the strategy of selling the product, because uh, until they don't call for the product, they will not be able to sell their product, right?
Hmm.
So of course, this is the strategy of selling the product.
Okay. And is it irritating for you sometimes?
Sorry, your voice was not.
Hello?
Yeah, it's okay.
Am I audible?
Yeah, now it's better now.
So I just asked, is it irritating for you sometimes, these kind of calls?
Sometimes we feel irritating, like while like we are working something, we are doing something. On at that time, we get that kind of call. So of course, that time that is irritating. But
Hmm.
sometimes it's like valuable call. Like, okay, I
Informative.
got the call, informative sometimes.
Hmm. All right, Amar. So we are almost at the end of the session. I would like to come to the
Sure,
feedback now. First of all, it
sure.
was nice speaking with you. It was the very first time that we connected, and I hope to
Mhm.
see you soon again so that we can work on our pronunciation in a better way. We can try pronouncing the words where you're finding a difficulty to produce the
Sure.
particular sounds. And apart from that, very minor grammatical errors are also happening. So
Yes.
fluency is acceptable as of now, but pronunciation needs major work,
May-
right?
Okay.
So keep up the practice, keep practicing, keep reading, connect
Mhm.
for sessions so that we can talk on different topics. You try
Mhm.
to use different words. So the more you speak, the better you will improve,
Better.
right?
Yeah.
So you have a great evening ahead then. We'll
Yeah.
meet again.
Sure.
Thank you. Bye.
You too. Bye.